after this, after the disappearance of several people under mysterious circumstances around Europe, the authorities remain clueless. Diverse group of adventurers have gathered in the vein of. I'm sorry. The only clue that each of these cases have in common are mysterious tape recorders scattered close to the last place where the victims were seen alive. Those tapes only contain unintelligible noises, but who knows that message is buried underneath. Man, these are fast. I can't even read these. Anyway, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Slate River. So I haven't made a video in a month, and I'm so very sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very sorry. Well, anyway, to make it up to you, I decided to play a scary game. And this game's called White Noise. And I hope the camera is not crooked or anything, because I didn't really have that much time to adjust it. Well, anyway, let's play. Yeah, just to make up to you. And by the way, we're gonna take a little break from the darkness. Yeah, but I was saying this game's called White Noise Online, so I could probably play with some people if this game's actually that good. As a matter of fact, Injustice told me about this game, which I kind of knew it existed, and I wanted Zingy to play it with me one day, but like a long time ago. But I didn't have the money for this game, and actually, Injustice told me to get it too. Thank you, Injustice. Let's see. So choose a location. I'm gonna go the hardest difficulty, because if you are new to my channel, I'm always gonna go to the hardest difficulty, no matter what. Random location. So let's see. Who should I be? Here we have Kurt, abandoned by his parents in a convent. Kurt has become a lonely and curious person. He now dedicates his life to paranormal activity research. Wow. Despite his fear of darkness, Jean-Luc, is that his name, Jean-Luc? Tries his best to uncover the truth behind the so-called supernatural events, risking his own life in the process. Wow. Anna Marie loves cookies, boat rides, and kittens. So do I. We have something in common. But that does not stop her from investigating unsolved crimes in her life, in her free time. After playing hide and go seek in her parents' labyrinth garden, Sarah realized it was smarter to hide than close your eyes when in peril. Okay, so which character should I be? I don't know. I suck with decisions. Why? I want to be this guy, Frank. Where's the party? This young rascal doesn't take anything too seriously. We'd be able to escape the nightmare. I can't even pick these guys. Should I go random? But that'll suck. Screw it, I'll go random. I don't like deciding sometimes. Ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you can see this. Okay, so Jean-Luc. Speed 1, stamina 2, and sanity 0. Negative 2. Find all tape recorders and... Oh, wait. I'm done. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Pick up his X's flashlight and run his trigger. Okay, so where am I? Eee, this is creepy. Yeah, so basically this game is a lot like Slender, if you can't tell. If you've ever played Slender. This is freaky, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Shut up! Shut up! Let me find these pages. I hear a tape recorder. Where could it be? This is on nightmare mode, by the way. You of course know that, but... Dude, my sanity is negative 2. I hear a disturbance in the force, but I cannot find it. There it is. Give me that crap. Mother effer. Do not go near that. Okay. Don't turn around. Don't do anything. Just go straight to that mouth. Why? Because it's a free country, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm scared. I hope you can see this too. Like, I can't even see. Okay, slowly, as slow as you can. Man, my flashlight's running out. My flashlight's running out. Mother F, run. Just run. I don't even know where I'm going, by the way. Thought you have like +2 stamina. You're already tired. Well, so much for your stamina then. Okay. Not that hard actually. He hasn't even. Monster hasn't came. Okay. Okay. I gotta learn to keep my mouth shut. Okay, man, I haven't found anything. Don't turn around. Just keep running. Hey, at least he's going easy on me. Sorry, he has -2 stamina. I mean, -2 sanity. So I can die easily. Probably. Okay. Okay, so there's a waterfall. There's probably something behind this anyway. Right? Am I right? I hear it. Yes, I knew it. Give me that. That's 2. Okay. Should go straight. And the other. Something on the other side. Oh, man. This is probably the same game that gave Zingy, like, heart pain and injustice. Okay. Hey, look at there's statues. Yeah, Lisa Frank. Do 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 do. Shout out whoever gets that reference. Macintosh Plus. It's all in your head. Okay, just follow the waterfall. See if it leads somewhere nice. Somewhere over the rainbow. Ah, God. Where's this creature at? I haven't even seen him, actually. Okay. Okay. Stop turning around, you idiot. I'm not talking to him. I'm just talking to myself. Okay. No tape recorder? Are you serious? But I hear something. Wow, this flashlight has good power. Seems like the more I progress, the more like powerful. Actually, it's blinking. I'm kind of worried. Leave me alone. He is close. I can hear him breathing down my neck. Just run. Oh, hey. Is that Buddha? A Buddha statue? I don't hear anything, so. Nothing there. I'm cornered. I'm stuck. I think. I'm stuck. Help. I'm stuck. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm stuck. Screen killer. Screen killer, help. Nah, he's not gonna help. Can I open this? No, are you serious? I hear something. What the heck is that? I shouldn't look at it. Okay, don't look at it. Is that what's chasing me too? Don't stare into it. It hurts my sanity, my brain. There's a tape next to it, right? I went right here, I think. Right here, right? No? Are you serious? There's nothing? Hey! Hey, back to Macintosh Plus, Lisa Frank. Do 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 do. If you guys haven't heard the song, look it up on YouTube. Lisa Frank 420. Song is so good. To me, it's good. If you're high, it's like pretty. It's beautiful. How do I know? I don't smoke, I promise, but I do not smoke. But if you're high, just saying. Well, we'll change the subject. Let's not talk about that stuff. Back to the pages. Man, I don't know where to go. I can't find much. There's nothing really here. Oh, a tape. How did I miss that? Man, what's wrong with me? I miss such easy stuff like this. Okay, that's 4. That was just 4. You're kidding. That was just 4? Please tell me you're joking. Can I find more? I had trouble getting 4 at least. Don't worry, I'm a master. Oh man, we're going to my grave. Probably. Crap, I thought I saw something right there. Okay, I've been here already. Ah! Ah, I am dead. Memory of Slate River 007. Distant walked. Oh, my head. Replay. Wait, I get to see a replay? Okay, what does that mean? Oh, man. Okay, so those are the tapes, is where I found. That I found. Oh, it's a puzzle, I think. Oh, man. Yeah, I got no idea. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, that was white noise. I think I have time for one more. Screw it. Nightmare. Random. I have time for one more at least. Oh, man. I already don't like this game. Marianne! Anne Mary. What the heck? Okay, flashlight, run, pick up. Okay, Marianne. Let's rock! I believe in you. I can't even see myself. I can't change perspectives. I can hear like she's wearing high heels. Ooh, baby. Marianne. Anne Mary. Oops. No. Oh, crap. That scared me. Okay. What is this? Hello, Mr. Head. By any chance, do you know where the tape recorder's at? Sure I do, Slate. It's behind my head. Oh, thank you. Is it really? Wait. Mother effer, you lied to me. Oh, screw you. Okay, enough fooling around. Where's the tape? I can hear it, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Oh, thank you, Mr. Head number 2. Or, I'll call you Tommy. Yeah, Mr. Head is not nice. Mr. Head, help me! Mr. Head, I'm sorry I said bad things. Please help me. Mr. Head, I love you. Just don't stare at it, Marianne. I mean, Anne Mary. Man, I keep making up her name. Just run. That's all I can do. Man, she's out of breath easy. Well, she likes boat rides, right? Makes sense. She likes cookies. Yay. Pretend these tape recorders are cookies. That's what I do sometimes. Oh, man. Is there a way to hide my sensitivity? No, there isn't. Oh! God's sakes. Okay, I'm making this quick. So that's 2 so far. I'm making this quick because I don't have time now. Okay, let's see. Hey, look, a nice painting. Let me see that painting. Yeah. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it's a lovely painting. Dancing ladies and I feel like I've seen this before, like from art school. No. Stop doing that. Hey, do you know what this painting is about? I kind of don't know. It's has a boat. Has a. Well, do you know? Don't stare at me like that. Screw you then. Here, where are you? Oh, he disappeared, mother fudger. I was gonna flip him off. Like, screw you. No, that's not nice. I'm Marianne. I mean, Anne Mary. I hear another one. Give me that. Give me it. Give me it. So apparently these are puzzles too, I guess. Like, you have puzzles? I don't know how to play this game. Well, if you guys write in the comments, like, probably give me a hand. And I'll go back to the game and finish it if I can. But if you want, I'll look it up if you want, ladies and gentlemen. Just say so right down in the comments below. Okay, so this might be a... Oh, my eyes. Owie. So I can't stare at this, I guess. Ah! Marianne. I mean, Anne Mary. Why do I keep messing up her name? It's Anna Marie. What the heck's wrong with me? Anna Marie, not Anne Mary. What is wrong with me? How can I forget her name? She likes cookies and she likes boat rides and what else does she like? I don't remember. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got. So like I said, write in the comments if you want me to play this game again, which I'll probably play it anyway, but regardless, but yeah, well, anyway, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this lovely video of mine. And tell me what other games I should play. Write down in the comments below as well. Not only this game, but more games. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Too many jump scares. I can't take it. Well, anyway, I'm Slate River, and here I say bye bye.